When it comes time for the windows, this works like Rain-X, ladies and gentlemen. So if you've ever used Rain-X on your windshield, ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited because it is a beautiful day outside, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I made $1,000 hanging out at the gas station. Over with that microfiber. Now you see, clean fingerprints, smudges, water spots. You can see with one can and a microfiber and a terry cloth, you can wash and wax 4 cars. So get the can, spray it on the surface, take your regular terry cloth like this one, wipe it. You can see the shine instantly that you get. That's where the dirt goes. You take your microfiber towel, and that's it. Smooth finish. But that's not all. Sheesh. Oh wow. Oh wow. So if you take that right there, it doesn't stick anymore right there. So just wipe it right off. How cool is that? Ladies and gentlemen, is how the demonstration is done. I know what you're thinking. Where's the $1,000 that you made and how'd you do it? Be patient. Give me a second. Let me explain. Now imagine being at the gas station where cars need to pull in to get gas. We would work what we call our LOA, or law of averages, where we're talking to so many cars. And all the cars that we're talking to, so many of them are going to say, yes, go ahead and show me how this product works. And out of those number of cars that we show it to, so many of them are going to say, awesome, I want to take this home and use this on my Porsche, on my BMW, on my Mercedes, on my Ferrari, on my Lambo, whatever it was, it didn't matter. And we had stuff for the interior, stuff for the tire shine, just whatever it was that made it easier for them to take care of their toys and for us to make a little bit of money. So we worked the LOA using the 5 steps to a conversation. If this is your first time hearing about the 5 steps to a conversation, that's okay. Let me break it down so you understand exactly what it is. Step 1, introduction. Using your C factors: smile, eye contact, and enthusiasm. Short story. This is where you tell them who, the what, and the why. Step 3 is the presentation. And in this step, you want to put it in the hand, baby. Piff! 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 Now, you guys have all heard about step 4. This is where you go for the close. Always be closing. You might know step 5 as the upsell, but I call it the rehash. Remember, everyone has another sale. Oh my goodness, that was a lot. But now that we understand what the 5 steps are, once we put the 5 steps with the law of averages, then we can get rolling. Damn, I didn't go over what the law of averages is. Okay, exactly. The easiest way that I can explain the 5 steps so that it makes sense, in my opinion, is 1 out of 5, you're pretty good, you're doing things right. 1 out of 10, that's about average. 1 out of 15, you may want to sit back, watch somebody who's doing 1 out of 5, 1 out of 10, and tweak something that you're doing. There's some part of your 5 steps that may be a little bit off. So now we have the 5 steps, we have the law of averages, and the last thing that we need is our product, our FW1 wax. Guys, so a can of wax costs 10 bucks. We had something called an action pack, which is a 3-can wax, tire shine, and carpet and upholstery, I believe. And these are smaller cans than the regular size that you saw. We had a detail kit, all normal size, 1 can of wax, 1 can of tire shine, 1 interior carpet and upholstery cleaner, and 1 general purpose leather cleaner. That was the big boy. 30 bucks for the detail kit, 20 bucks for the action pack, 10 bucks for the can of wax. And then sometimes we had microfiber towels, 3 packs for 5 bucks. Little hand triggers to help you with your can of wax. That was also 5 bucks. So you can do the math on what it takes to be able to generate $1,000 when you compare, or find, I should say, all those different things we talked about earlier. Our 5 steps, our law of averages, and using those things, that's exactly how I was able to generate $1,000 a day. The great part about this story is there's a way better way that I can share with you to generate $1,000 right now if you're interested. But there are no guarantees, except there will be obstacles, challenges, and roadblocks that will hinder you from reaching your ultimate goal, whatever that may be. But I will guarantee that it will be an adventure and that there will be personal growth and development taking place. And if you don't quit on yourself and on your dreams, then you will achieve much success.